Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, November 21st, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got practice 4.4b. We also have a chapter 4 test on Monday. Looking at honors, I believe that should be chapter 4 review, not chapter 3. Also, 30 minutes of MobyMax is due by tomorrow. Remember, you've had all week to do this. There is zero reason or excuse that you should not have this done. In science, we've got to finish our lab questions for regular science. Honor science, we've got a Finding the Speed worksheet. In social studies, there is no homework, with the exception of Citizen of My School is due tomorrow. This was assigned last Friday. You've had an entire week to go through and get this done. Also, there's a social studies test next Tuesday over Sumer in Mesopotamia. Hey, please make sure that you're preparing for that. In language arts, there is no homework tonight. We do have our flip notes due on Monday. Please make sure that they are complete, accurate, and neat. You also should be reviewing your notes for Monday's test. Mrs. Murray has also gone through and created a quizzes game to help study. I believe there are 32 different terms or facts on the quizzes game for you to prepare and study. In literature, we have our test Monday over our literary devices and elements. And we also have our book project that is due on Monday, November 25th on Google Classroom. That is something that we've been ongoing since last week. In CNL, we have a test Monday. So just a bit of a recap for everybody. We are going to have a busy Monday and Tuesday before we head out for Thanksgiving break. So you need to make sure that you are spending time working hard, working diligently over the weekend to prepare for those tests coming up. Because once you come back from break, we just have 3 short weeks, and it is the end of the second 9 weeks. That is going to be it for this Thursday. Everyone have a fantastic evening.